Hi guys, my name is Chris, 34 years old, and I am from Germany in Hamburg. And as you can see right now, we are here at the Smile Hair Clinic in Istanbul. And the reason why I'm here is because I suffer from hair loss. So as you can see, I have lost some hair at this side, and also on the forefront. And the reason why I am here is because that I want to do my hair transplant at this clinic. I am an influencer, so I do a lot of video content, so I am a lot in front of the camera. I lost a little bit of my confidence because of my hair, and hair, especially for men, is very important. So I decided to do this hair transplantation here in Istanbul at this clinic. How I found you is that I was doing some research, seeing where I can see some good results, and I was very confident about this clinic here because the way it is very clean here. I like the staff, very friendly, and I am very, very sure that I will have a very good experience here.
Ja, danke, gut auch.
Sprichst Deutsch?
Hallo, ja, ich spreche Deutsch auch.
Okay, perfekt.
Deutsch, Englisch. Englisch ist noch besser,
Ja.
aber ich spreche Deutsch auch.
You can also speak English, German.
You speak
everything
German
is
too.
fine.
Okay, that's very nice to hear.
Yes.
How are you? How's everything so far?
Everything is fine. How about you?
So let's check your file. You are 34 years old. You don't smoke. That's a very good thing, by the way. We just shave here because we want a lover, and it's naked and it's bald already.
Yeah, okay.
That's why you are here, and
that's
that's why I'm
That's perfect.
I'm doing the examination to you. You might think that because I'm parting the hair. No, it's not about that. It is yes. If I part, it becomes more. As you see, we just calculate the areas because if it's totally bald, we know that how many grafts we can do for each centimeter square. I can't see if we shave, if we need some for other parts as well. I don't know, but so far I think you need something around 1,700 for the frontal part, plus 100 to 200 to the crown and the mid scalp. It's going to be 1,900, I think.
All right. Okay.
All right.
All right.
Okay, so what we did so far, we did some sampling from the donor area to see the graft quality, because depending on the graft's size, graft's thickness, graft's single or multiple ratio, we choose the different size of blades for the patient's creation, the recipient area creation. And overall, I think the front, both temporal part is our plan. I mean, it was totally bald, so we were knowing that. But now I can see the other parts of your frontal part, mid scalp and crown. In some areas you may need some, because you have some gaps, you may need some implantation.
Okay.
So I'm gonna focus on those parts too. So that may increase the number as well.
All right.
So I'm gonna start. It will take up to 1 hour. You will not feel any pain, but if you feel pain, just let me know. So I will not do any. I will do anesthetic for that area.
Okay. All right, guys, and this is the end result of the operation. As you can see, we have implanted the hair on this side and also on other parts of my head, which I didn't even notice that there are missing parts. So the doctor makes sure that their missing parts will also be filled with hair. And this is something I didn't even expect it. So I'm very, very, very happy with the result. I didn't have any pain, nothing at all. I didn't even feel it at some point. So this is a very good operation that I can very, very recommend to everyone who has the same issue as I was having it. And I am really looking forward to the end result after some months. I am suffering from hair loss for many years. I used some medicaments, I used some hair oil so that I can fix the hair loss. But those processes were too slow and didn't show so many results. So what I did after that is to see, and that is where I came across the hair transplantation. And the best place to do that is here in Turkey, Istanbul. And the clinic I chose was the Smile Hair Clinic. The reason why is that they have a very professional look, where I see that they have many results where I was very satisfied with. So I contact them, and that is the reason why that I am here right now. And overall, the whole process was very smooth, and this is where I got introduced to the team of the Smile Hair Clinic. I got introduced to the doctor, who was also explaining me everything about the whole process. And the good thing about it is that he even showed me some areas that I didn't even realize that I was having any hair loss. So I was only focused on the front area, because this is where I really realized that most of the hair loss, but I also had some hair loss on the hair crown. And this is where I could really see that he's a very good doctor, because he even told me about this place, that there will also be needed some hair transplantation, which we also did. And now this is the whole end result. We have done the washing today after 2 days after surgery, and I can tell the whole process was very painless. It was taking 8 hours, which is really fast, and I got like 2,500 drafts on my hair. And I can really say that I am very, very happy with the result. So we will see after some months how the whole hair grow will process itself. So from now on, follow the true transformation.